Welcome back to Kids Cove. Today, we will learn about different time periods, including months of the year, seasons of the year, and why we have day and night. There are 12 months in a year, and they are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. There are 4 seasons in a year, so 3 months in each season. And if you're living in the north of the world, then March, April, and May will be in the spring season. June, July, and August will be in the summer season. September, October, and November will be in the autumn season. December, January, February will be in the winter season. And it's the opposite if you're living in the south of the world. And this is because over the course of a year, the Earth goes on a journey around the sun. And the Earth is tilted, which affects the amount of daylight the north part or the south part of the world gets. So in the month of January, when it's winter in the north, it's actually summer in the south. And why do we have day and night? Well, that's because the Earth rotates on its own axis as it moves around the sun. So the side of the Earth that's facing the sun, it's daytime. And the other side that's not facing the sun, it's nighttime. And the Earth rotates on its axis once every 24 hours, which is 1 day. It then takes 365 days to go around the sun. And that's 1 year. Let's speed through a year together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Was that fun? Now let's play a game and see how much you remember. How many months are there in a season? 3. That's right. How long does it take the Earth to revolve around the sun? 365 days. How long does it take the Earth to rotate once on its axis? 24 hours. Well done, little one. If you enjoy learning with us, subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.